Hog Knife Multifunctional Pry Bar or Pry 2. Let's see what it's all about. This has a unique pocket inside here with a bunch of screw beads. Put some of them away that I don't need. And right here, that's how it locks in. Boom. And we have right here a little screwdriver. Open it, put it away. And we have a really nice pry bar, sharp enough to cut through the tape of the boxes. Wrench, bottle opener, titanium, really lightweight. Got right here new Boca Plus tool pen. Let's see what it's all about. Sits in a real well. So this is a swivel. There's a bolt action pen, but it actually a tool. So flips over, magnetic, star beads. Okay. Take that off, and we have right here another bit. Use it this way or flip it over. That is cool. Close it back up. And so instead of actual bolt action pen, we have right here really beautiful bolt action pen screwdriver style pen. I love the swivel right here. Does not come off. Just swivel down. So when I'm done, all I have to do is lock it back up. And of course I can put different bits onto here as well. Very cool. Here's a Vantage trench lighter, does not require fill. So all we have to do is pull out this rope and just spark it. And once we got the spark, we have the flame. It's easy to pull it out and pull it back in, and it does not get lost. Next level, transparent woven flashlight with a rotatable light, and there's the display right here. 1 lumen and person hold, 50 lumen, 150. Double click, 700 lumen. So rotate it, put it onto the clip of a backpack. Easy to walk and carry it, stand it up, have a miniature lantern, work on something. And it comes with a case that transforms this light into a lantern, flashlight. Also it will charge it. Press a button and we can charge the power bank case, and at the same time we can charge the light too. Turn it on and we have a little lantern right here. Amazing. Mitsubisi pencil sharpener. How cool is that? Just like a car maker. So thinner or thicker? So let's go on one new pencil. Incredibly sharp, beautiful. Okay, I break it off. Let's do all the way right here on I don't know, 7, 6. See what happens. And there it is, perfectly sharpened with the flat on the top right here. And if I want to do sharper, it's incredibly sharp again. Beautiful. Railer, keychain, or like a clip screw bits holder. Sits in a really tight, plugs in. Ooh, pops out pretty quickly, but lock it in good. Pop it out for any sizes. This is star beads. Obviously there's a different sizes and shapes. Love that one a lot. Hog Knife design, yet another amazing locking mechanism. It has this little arm. Looks like a thumb studs in a sense, but also a flipper. Flips it out so nice, and then takes a little flick and flicks it back up. That is amazing. What a genius design. We're gonna go get more in depth into it in the future shorts videos. There's a clip, utility knife to replace the blade. Take the screwdriver, open it up, and remove it. Look how smooth that is. Just takes a little pressure flick and it flicks back out. Love it. And the logo, so amazing, both sides. Wow. Spry Bar by Big Idea design titanium. There's a little keychain hole or linear hole, and it's pretty satisfying to flick it. This one sounds really good, or just for fun, one at a time without too much noise. Two at a time. Pretty satisfying, and of course it will pry open cans and everything, because if you try to pry open with a knife, the tip of a knife most likely will break because it's not what it made for. This one will pry open cans and everything, no problem. Look how thick that is. So, and on top of it is pretty fidgety and stylish. Rocket teapot. It will spin once the water starts boiling. Let's check this out. And whenever the water boils, the pressure will build up and the rocket will start spinning. How cool is that? And the more it boils, the louder it will get and the faster it will spin. That's cool. Check out this dog toy. The blue part on the back of it, twist the rubber string, shoot. Luke and Hugo don't care about playing, I guess, anymore. Getting older, but the other pups are all about it. Look at them play. One more time. Boom! Look at it fly so well. But this thing is just cuts them so fast. And I like smaller pieces, less smoke, and dries better. That's cool. And keep away free from it, because it's fast. You see? Let's see how it does. Wow. So if you get this kind of poplar wood, it can do it. You see there is not. Got it here, Snowball duck maker. This is hilarious. The kids gonna love it. Pocket, open it, boom. There's snow duck. Next level, box cutter opener. So box cutter, scraper, and then put it away. And also you got right here a paint can opener, like a pry bar. Pretty awesome. What do you guys think? Got it here, Vantage gravity knife. I think it Vantage. You press on this button, it comes up, you lock it back in. Pretty unique knife, that's for sure. Then you press it this way, boom. Big handle, very interesting. You can, I guess, deploy it this way, so you don't have to point it down, just use the inertia. Also, I just noticed in the back over here, there's a pick, it's to untie nuts.